Hello, my name is Ukulele. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Hello by Adele. Firstly, I'm going to explain about each chord, then I will explain about the strumming pattern of the song, and lastly, you will see me singing the song so that you can get how it goes. Actually, that video contains each chords and lyrics as well, so it's easy, like a sing-along video. So let's get started with the chords. First chord you need to know is A minor. With your middle finger on the second fret of the top string, that's A minor. The next chord is C. With your ring finger on the third fret of the bottom string, that's C. The next chord is E minor. Actually, it appears just one time in a song. With a point finger on the second fret of the bottom string, with the middle finger on the third fret of the second string, with the ring finger on the fourth fret of the third string. That's E minor. It should sound like this. The next chord is F. With a point finger on the first fret of the second string, with the middle finger on the second fret of the top string. That's F. The last chord is G. This one. With a point finger on the second fret of the third string, with the middle finger on the second fret of the bottom string, with a ring finger on the third fret of the second string. That's G. This one, yeah. So that's the whole chord you need to know. Now moving on to the strumming pattern of this song. In the introduction part and verse are all the same. I'm going to use A minor, this chord, as an example. You just strum once. Next chord C, G, like this. You just strum once for introduction part and like verse. But at the chorus, you're gonna play like this. As an example, I'm gonna use C. Goes like this. Down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down. Just repeat. Okay, I will show you how it goes. Alright. A minor. Hello from the outer side. I must have gone 1,000 times. It goes like this. It works, right? So, introduction and the verse, you could just play strum down. But at the chorus, you're gonna play like this. That works. So that's the end of my tutorial. Here's the singing part. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all the years you'd like me to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal ya, but ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how you felt before the world fell out of feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have gone 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. When I call you, never seem to be home. Hello from the outer side. I listen I can't say that I try to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart. It don't matter, it clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.